We are glad that you have decided to join Allegro. In order to make your first steps on Allegro easier and help you kickstart your sales, we have a special welcome program for you. It's packed with discounts and promotions that you can take advantage of for up to 90 days on Allegro.pl and 180 days on Allegro.cz. The welcome program is available to newly registered businesses on Allegro. How can you activate it? 1. Register and activate a business account on Allegro. 2. Go to the Discount Center tab. 3. Click Activate. 4. Enjoy the discounts and promotions. How can you take advantage of the benefits? Featured Offers Package. You can turn on features when uploading offers. Free professional subscription. Go to Sales, click on Subscriptions, and activate Professional Subscription. Why is it worth using the professional subscription? It gives you several useful tools that will help you boost your sales. For example, Allegro Ads Campaign Planner. Go to the Allegro Ads dashboard and select the Campaign Planner tab. Here you can manage your campaigns. Create your own company banner. Go to the My Sales tab, click on Subscriptions, and choose Company Banner. Allegro Analytics. You can find this great analytics tool by going to the My Sales tab and clicking on Allegro Analytics. It gives you access to current sales statistics on Allegro to help you tailor your assortment, optimize pricing, and increase sales. Adding a logo as part of your offer. You can add a logo to your offer. It will appear in all your offers, helping you increase the recognition of your brand on Allegro. It will appear in the upper right corner of each of your offers and in the See section. Now you know everything about the Welcome Program.
Visit Allegro Academy and find out how to boost your sales. Allegro Academy, the place where sellers become experts.